friends, this is Anil Kukreja from Deal Money Research. Let's have a look at the commodities from a weekly perspective. In this episode of Weekly Watch, we are going to cover bullions, that is the gold and silver, crude oil from the energy segment, copper from the base metals, while USD INR from the currency segment. So starting with bullions. Gold on the daily chart has breached the support of the level of 50,250, which has now turned into the resistance along with the level of 51,000, as it is the 30 days exponential moving average. With the momentum indicator RSI being at the level of 42, gold prices clearly lack a trend. Therefore, we expect gold to trade within the range of 48,500 to 51,000 during the week. Moving on to silver. Silver prices has also breached the support of 62,500 levels, which has now turned into the resistance along with the 30 days exponential moving average being around the level of 64,500. The RSI being at the level of 38, silver prices also lack a clear trend. We expect silver to trade within a range of 57,000 to 64,500 during the current week. Overall, we expect bullions to trade with a sideways bias as we have important data later during the week. We have the initial jobless claims during the Thursday session, while we have a non-farm payroll and US unemployment data during the Friday session. With the Friday being a holiday in MCX, we expect good movement on Monday morning. Therefore, we expect this sideways bias to continue till the weekend, and we expect a sideways to bullish bias during the next week. Moving on to the energy sector. Crude oil on the daily chart has been moving within a range of 2800 to 3050 levels. We expect this sideways bias to continue until we see any movement in the US dollar index. That would directly impact the currency and the energy sector. We expect crude to trade within a given range until the weekend. Moving on to the base metals. Copper prices on the daily chart have retraced from the crucial resistance of 540. This resistance hasn't been breached since the 2013. Therefore, that makes this resistance a very important level. We expect copper to trade with a sell on rise strategy for the week, as the RSI is at the level of 47 with a negative divergence. We can sell copper around the level of 520 to 525 with a stop loss above the level of 540 and for the target of 490 and 480 during the coming weeks. Moving on to the currency segment. USD INR on the daily chart has been moving within a range of 73.10 to 74.50. The momentum indicator RSI is around the level of 53, with the prices trading around the moving averages of 30 and 200 days. This shows a lack of clear trend in the USD INR as well. Therefore, we expect a momentum in USD INR during the later half of this week, as we have important data coming in from the US market. That would definitely impact the USD INR as well. Therefore, we expect this range to continue for the weekend. That's all from my end. Thank you and have a safe trading week.